Okay? So, Table 3, Ma'am Francis, Table 3 shows the set of criteria and ways that will be used by advisors and peers in the evaluation and deliberation process. O, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. So, bawat award talaga may deliberation. Schools may opt to add more indicators based on the decision of the awards committee. Candidates will be evaluated by at least 30% of their peers, their group, their team, their class, or their club mates, as well as their class or club advisors. Only those learners who have met at least 90% of the criteria on the next page shall be awarded. So, nandito, table 3, tingnan ninyong mabuti. Motivational skills, 40%. Planning and organizational skills, 40%. Contribution to the school and or community, 20%. So, if you have any questions, feel free again to ask sa comment section. Meron din tayong award